Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to connect a PS5 controller to your PC and how to play games on like Steam, for example. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys want to do is you want to open up your Bluetooth, make sure that it's enabled, and over here once you see basically once Bluetooth is enabled, all you want to do is just hold on the PlayStation button until the two lights start flickering. Once they start flickering on and off, like the blue lights, you should be good to go. And once you see it here, you can go ahead and connect it. Once it's connected, it should display like a light blue type of light, but either way you'll know because it's going to say connected here. Anyways, once it is connected, once your controller is connected and you want to play a game like Warzone, for example, go over to Steam. From Steam, go over to settings, which you can find at the top left. Go ahead and go to settings, and then you want to go to Steam settings, then you want to go down to controller. From controller, you want to make sure that everything is on. Just turn Game Rumble on and just turn controller name. Make sure that it's like the same name as your controller. And in order to test it, you can click on begin test. And you'll notice I have my controller right here, and once I'm moving, you can also see that it's moving over there as well. And this basically means you're good to go. And then if you want to play a game like Warzone, go ahead and just open up Warzone normally. There is something that you have to do in settings in Warzone itself. I think it's something you have to change the aiming input or something to a controller. Just make sure that's set, and then you should be good to go. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.